Oh, look at that. That's a 7-8 pound bass. Look at the size of that one. Oh, got it. We are out here on Lake Fork looking for that 10-pounder. Got one so far. They are hitting some white and chartreuse chatterbait. No jig bite today, just fast moving bites. So one down, let's see what else we get. It's starting to rain. Hopefully the bite will pick up. All right guys, fish number 2. It has been pretty tough out here. The bite has really slowed down. We're picking it up. We're sight fishing right now, seeing the fish and trying to, on the beds, and catching these little ones here. So keep going. All right, nice. That one. Oh, it's like a 4-pounder. It's got a big belly on it. Yeah. You got, let's see. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Look at the size of these carp. Let's see if you can see it. See it? These two, they're everywhere back here. 30, 40 pounders. There you go. You want to grab the one? Yeah. All right. She ate it and then swam away. Yeah. Look at that. Hold it up. There we go. Nice. I didn't think you'd eat it twice. Three. Not a bad fish. I saw your 3-pounder that you just caught, so if that's caught a dink, called it a 3-pounder. We were sure it was a 3-pounder. Came up, it was a little half a pounder. I thought it was bigger. Okay, this is the male. This is the male. This is the little one.
Oh, wow.
The big one took a swipe at it.
Is that one we were earlier?
Yeah, this is the male for that one. It's like a 3 or 4 pound male. It's 24 inches. Oh, there's a bass. This is all nest.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. That's a 7-8 pound bass. Look at the size of that one. Huge 7-8 pounder. Not a 10, but a football. Oh, got it. That's like a 4-pounder. I don't know if this is the same fish I just saw, but look at this one. This is like, all right, we'll weigh it and see. I didn't even see him eat it. I just felt like I just saw it move, and I was like, let me just set the hook and